Welcome back to Nutshell Classes. Today's class is on splitting of sentences and that we are going to learn with a simple stick. Let's begin now. You see one stick, a single red colored stick. Now, if we can just break it. Look, now it has become two sticks. But it is the same stick made into two different parts, just broken. Now, if I want to, I can break this part and this part and make it into 4 or 5 sticks. Remember, even though I do it, the essence remains the same. It is, after all, the same stick. A very similar thing happens when we deal with sentences. Splitting of sentences means simply what? Simply it means breaking of sentences. You are giving just one sentence, your task is to break it. Okay, isn't that fun? It sounds like fun. Let's see. What are the rules? Break a sentence into 2 or more sentences. That will be as directed, You should do as you are directed. If they tell you to break it into 2, you will break it into 2. अगर ज़्यादा sentences में possible हो, कीजिए. Point number 2. Each new sentence must be a simple sentence. Today we are going to learn that how to break sentences so that each sentence, जो छोटा छोटा sentences निकलेगा वो सब simple sentence होगा. Arrange sentences according to order as it happened. The order that you are going to follow should be the order in which whatever is being told has happened. Now, you might find the rules a little tricky to understand, but you won't find them hard when we solve a few questions. Let us look at the questions now. Split the sentences. First question. करके देखते हैं. Scoring a goal, he jumped with joy. Now, if you look properly at this sentence, you will find that ing has been added to make it a simple sentence. ये एक simple sentence है. ये एक verb है. ये एक verb है. Okay, इसमें ing add किया गया है ताकि subject सिर्फ एक बार use हो. How can we split it? We have to write at least 2 sentences. And we must remember, sentence means subject and predicate. तो subject दोनों sentence में होना चाहिए. Okay, sentences में होना चाहिए. So who is the subject? He. पहले क्या हुआ है? Scoring of goal और फिर jumped with joy. So our sentence will be he scored a goal and then he jumped with joy. Now, how did I know that it is past tense? I did both scored in past tense and jumped because in the question it was past tense. Scoring a goal, he jumped with joy. I split it with a full stop into 2 sentences. He scored a goal, he jumped with joy. Okay, now let us go to the second question. In the morning, they packed and left. What kind of sentence is it? We know. I hope you have watched the simple complex compound video. So we know that and is used in a compound sentence. This is a compound sentence. Now, if we want to break it, again we'll have to find out the subject. Subject कौन? They. In the morning, they packed and left. Okay. Now, here it is not told whether you have to do it in 2 sentences or more. You can do whatever you like. So you can do it was morning. First subject and predicate. It was morning. Okay. What did they do? They packed and left. So you can do 3 sentences. They packed, they left. Now, while doing this, I followed the 3 rules. कैसे देखते हैं. फर्स्ट रूल क्या था? ब्रेक सेंटेंस इनटू 2 और मोर सेंटेंसेस. मैंने ब्रेक कर दिया है. सेकेंड रूल था ईच न्यू सेंटेंस मस्ट बी अ सिंपल सेंटेंस. इट वॉज मॉर्निंग, सिंपल. दे पैक्ड, सिंपल. दे लेफ्ट, सिंपल. थर्ड रूल था अरेंज सेंटेंसेस अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑर्डर एज इट हैपेंड. यानी कि जिस तरह से घटना घटा है उसी के हिसाब से इसको अरेंज करना है. যেভাবে ঘটনা ঘটেছে ওইভাবেই আমাকে সেন্টেন্স অ্যারেঞ্জ করতে হবে. তাহলে আমি কি করলাম? আগে সকাল হয়েছে, তারপর ঘটনা ঘটেছে. पहले सुबह हुआ. इट वाज मॉर्निंग. They could not have left without packing. I can't write they left, they packed. No, I have to write according to the incident. जैसे हुआ है. It was morning, they packed, they left. Now, what did I omit? I omitted and, because it makes a sentence compound, right? And I did not need it. Let us go to our third question. When the dog barked, the thief ran away. Okay, so first thing is done by whom? The dog. Okay, so first I will write the dog barked. Why did I not write when? For 2 reasons. एक तो उससे ये कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाता है और दूसरी बात ये है कि हम तोड़ने जा रहे हैं और ये जोड़ने के लिए यूज किया हुआ है. So I am not going to use when. I will just write that the dog barked and what? The thief ran away. So the next sentence is the thief ran away. So you see here also what happened first. First, obviously, the dog has to bark. I cannot write the thief ran away at first because it will not follow the third rule, arrangement of sentence according to order. Okay, that is why I've written the dog barked. Obviously, it's a simple sentence. The dog barked and the thief ran away. There are no and, but, or, so, जिससे कि कंपाउंड हो जाता. There are no words like when, which, if, where, because, जिससे कि ये कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाए. ये सब हमको अवॉइड करना है. ओके, लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एज मॉली वांटेड टू नो द ट्रूथ, she surfed through all the papers working till dawn. Now here is a lot of information. Who's our subject? Molly. As, complex wala word हम use नहीं करेंगे. We are not going to use as. So we are going to start with Molly wanted to know the truth. Okay, that is the first thing she wanted. What did she do? She surfed through all the papers and working, she worked till dawn. Okay, so in every sentence we will need a subject. First में हम उसका नाम जरूर देंगे. So first sentence, Molly wanted to know the truth. Okay, then you are going to write she. Obviously you need subject, so she surfed through all the papers. And what did she do? Working till dawn. I'm not going to write working till dawn. Why? Because ing यूज किया गया है joining के लिए, जैसे कि as भी यूज किया गया था. I will not use ing because it is past tense, so I will make it worked. So who worked? सिर्फ तो नहीं लिख सकते ना, worked सब्जेक्ट चाहिए. इस वजह से फिर से किसके बारे में बात किया जा रहा है? It is she या Molly. So she worked till dawn. Okay, so I split the sentence into 3 sentences. Here it was, as Molly wanted to know the truth, she served through all the papers, working till dawn. I brought it down to 3 sentences. Molly wanted to know the truth, full stop. As को निकाल दिया. फिर she served through all the papers, full stop. Working, I have made it past tense because the entire sentence is in a past tense. So she worked till dawn. Okay, that is how you're going to do. Remember one thing, that our stick is a sentence here. Stick को जब हमने तोड़ा, उसमें से एक भी टुकड़ा हमने फेंक नहीं दिया, यानी कि सेंटेंस का भी एक भी टुकड़ा हम फेंक नहीं देंगे. हम पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रोकन सेंटेंस में दे देंगे. द स्टिक मस्ट रिमेन, इवन इन पीसेस द स्टिक मस्ट रिमेन. ओके, यू कैन नॉट throw information. Whatever information is given in the sentence, you have to keep it, and even then break it into smaller sentences, and they have to be simple. Question number 5. Mr. Rao, who is an excellent doctor, will be missed. अब यहाँ एक ट्रिक यूज किया गया. Mr. Rao, जो कि एक excellent doctor है, will be missed. So actual क्या बोला जा रहा है? Mr. Rao will be missed. Mr. Rao here will be missed. This is the main clause here. And who is an excellent doctor? This is the dependent clause. Right? Okay. So here you can use whichever you want. You can use this one. This will look better. So पहले नाम देना पड़ता है. First you must give the name. Whichever sentence you write, first you must introduce the name. So Mr. Rao is an excellent doctor. Full stop. Next sentence. Mr. Rao will be missed. একবার use করে দিয়েছি Mr. Rao. It has been once used. So you can just write he will be missed. Will be missed. Right? So let us look again. How did we do it? It was one single sentence. Mr. Rao, who is an excellent doctor, will be missed. We have just split it into 2 sentences. Mr. Rao is an excellent doctor. He will be missed. Okay. Now, our last question for the day. Let us look at this question. Parking his bike outside, Arun entered the hall but found the movie had started. Okay, now look at the thing. There is something happening here, right? Arun actually did what? Parking his bike, Arun entered. So entered is showing that this is past tense. So parking, we know that ing has been used to join. So first, what did Arun do? He parked his bike outside. So we shall write, we have to write the name first. We have got the name here, Arun. So Arun parked his bike outside. This is our first sentence. And then what did he do? He entered the hall. He सब्जेक्ट देना पड़ता है, इसलिए ही, क्योंकि अरुण हमने मेंशन कर दिया है. He entered the hall. आप पूछ सकते हैं कि क्या हम यहाँ ही की जगह अरुण बिठा दे तो क्या ये गलत है? नहीं, गलत नहीं है, but it sounds really really boring. So don't do that. And in the first sentence use the name, and in the second sentence, use he, she, whatever, whoever you are talking about. Okay. And the last line here is, but found the movie had started. But conjunction ये नहीं देना है. So we shall write, he found the movie had started. Okay, so let us look at the question and the answer again. Parking his bike outside, Arun entered the hall but found the movie had started. আমরা তিনটে টুকরো করেছি, right? We have done it in 3 pieces. Arun parked his bike outside, full stop. He entered the hall, full stop. He found the movie had started. Now, if you somehow forget any word, Arun parked outside, if you just write and you somehow, you miss the word bike, your answer will be wrong. You can ask me, ma'am, I have not done 3 sentences, 2 sentences. If I get somehow one sentence correct, will marks be given to me? No, you have to write the entire answer properly so as to get marks. So splitting of sentences means that you have to break the sentences into 2 or more parts. It is there in your board exams of 10 and 12. You just remember that how many sentences have they told you to make. If they don't mention, you can do 2 or 3, whatever you like, even more if you can, it's okay. But if they tell you to do it in 2 sentences or 2 simple sentences, then obviously don't make it more than 2. Okay, I suppose you've understood how to split sentences. Remember that while you split your sentences, just remember that your sticks must remain. Information जो कुछ भी है वो सही तरह से रहना है. Okay, try doing splitting of sentences. If you have any problem, do let me know. Ta-ta.